Kine birengo be masomo yekerengo kigoro.
The time has come that our universities must look beyond the national exchequer for their sustenance. Our universities must rise to the occasion and shape their financial affairs as their counterparts have done in other parts of the world. This requires effective and innovative leadership to design and adopt strategic measures that will make our universities sustainable, competitive, and attractive. At the basic level, the financial contribution that the government and the student households make to universities must be matched by the prudent administration of the universities.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii boigoni ganyera ko bagekolira na batebona negendera kubwaterana aso korobo tukigo research and extension kubwaterana mono university ya Kisii elekone kyabuno bokorri gonyara ko boli bogokina ase kaunti ya Kisii asamatuko ale motwe.
The partnership between the university and the county government was strengthened further when I appointed 3 university staff into my executive. I want to report here. I picked 3 lecturers from the university to join my cabinet. Those are the 3 lecturers that I think were, and I'm going probably the new year, going again to pick around 2 to make them 5 for us to be able to see the Kisii County again competes equally in the country.
Governor Dr. B niganyara ko bakawa kambuye ucha sabatere be county ya Kisii ne university ya Kisii asokunyara ko bakogendera gukine birengo bya masomo ase omwakoyo igaboro kigwa baso ase omwako motangani balenga bangimono ase ensi ya Kenya.
Na tunajua kwamba wanafunzi sasa hata yule mwenye hana kitu, yule maskini atakuwa na nafasi ya kusoma bila malipo. Itawasaidia sana wale ambao huwa wanawacha kusoma kwa sababu hakuna karo ama hakuna fees. So saizi itakuwa safi. Hata ukiona watu kama sisi wengine tulichelewa kusoma kwa sababu tulikosa karo. But now this government is making it possible and making it easy for students, especially from those families which are low, to pursue their studies, and I think I support. We have a Knowledge University offering agriculture, even more university, and we want to associate with the universities to help us collaborate and partner together in the field of research, so that whatever we have researched about should not just go to shelves and perish there. We want to apply, we want to work on this, we want to see it translated into action.
That they can also make it to university. And it is my humble plea that anyone listening to me that engages in drugs and substance abuse desist immediately. #vijana tuache miadarati. Vijana tuache miadarati.
Eric Bosire, Kisii TV. Wanchomo walieli ya buona boroki walibanyara kwa wako bekerwa ewotua. Togo tigana na iyo omo women repu county ya Kisii umosikia donya dori sabuli. Niganyara kwa baga kubwatoke check ye shilingi chimilioni komigo chia asebiombe awami bianyatuka wabikwelikia. Asebiombe emerongene na bitano ne kemo bianyara kwa bikonyora chibese icho. Asibira chikunyara kwa wabigo chitumeka buya ili nibanyara kwa wakwegenderelia. Okwana kerekio nigo moskedonya anyareko baga kubolia abananchi bakonyora wansego chichamo na kwebeka sebyombe ili banyareko bakonyora obokonyi ebyombe byoni go byanyora obokonyi obogwetera asike gancha gia affirmative action fund ngav asanyareko bakakona nabalikia mangana omugasolero asomuchobo song.
Ofisi ya umandela prere tuacha kwa abangina chibase chekombe abangina tafadhali mu apply nino mogo determine chibasere nga moko nyora ndoba tibese nyinge lakini chichinke nyora tu mu appreciate monte binkinta bali kire 1500 wose milioni aseki akara mwanga akerete chikure mwanga akerete 6 milioni ase constituency abo 6 milioni no ebisimabire no chibasa richire no chibese cheno chire chebyombe bono na chigaiga echi chionsi tobekera neti chietire echeke yegegere ya 10 million ekogenda sebyombe 46 nebyombe bi abande bakonyora 150 abande 200 abande 250 depending on buna mwechole tininu mwarenge bocholi nchena lengo babangina nabatakire mutumye bya next time naende toko wacha naende toko ba chinyako ba netinge chire ebyombe tali byonsi biranyore lakini ye mukiata chire Johnson chinyore onyo yonde tali konyore gesima oyonde konyora lebyombe onyo yonde tali konyore kiombe omwana oyo konyora basari tali wancha kwa neti sita neti bese cheke ganche yeto chire chinke
kona akire mama donya ngambi ya mona asebira akorire ni bora ametenda na alitema na ametenda tibya sere tiko to kukorere ebiashara ande mabya ya chatomente ekararo lile twakorera maturi twaochoreire ase obuya butwakorera matunda mbaya okoga ni waitu etitwate bibu twaotokoegwa ntomete gwetania kuna twa
Omo Senator bwe county ya Nyamira Moske Okongo omogeni niganyara ko bagakorwa ebyegwa anera mono byesugu ko kya saba boraka ase county ya Nyamira unenchira moyo ko basira na kwagendereria okwana ekerekyo nigo banyarira ko bagwa kambe kya somo senator yo nakobolia abara ikorwa ase county ya Nyamira kwagendera mono moyo yo eliokorwa kya saba bali kwenyara kinga kichiga bakenya bagenderete ko yaligania gucengera omoyega bwe Christmas nabo kwaligania umwaka moyo 2024
Nibune nande nyasa kabomuya nande bunatabere iromuya nande twayetwarire asenga kiyiga itangani ngakero yo minto Senator Okongo ngambi ya mono egakogera naso tiomo omo koboka so muguko agatosira
pa omo senator ito egentongo kwana asale asa gutacha obunyansi bwagororoka
arande mokoira no bunyansi bwagororoka oborai weino bagenderere ati ane ase moko chigotosira batebire mbatagete kogendaria keombeke egere tonyore no ane mboli no ane ngoko na into abana baito mbali chisukuru babe bagosoma chinyomba chito ntobwati ni chiagura ni gokoria gwatana kibame ntonkieke gakire ndotorera mabera abangina amo basukie mo ba magoro tabe
omo senator mbuya mono tiyasagusinie Wanto batokobwatira nase county nene yomara singing chimere bemia wakorire kwaberwa konya abangina baburaka bekanise itu ya Church of God
baimokerere igoro tobwaterane ekiombe nekiya naende gwesoya ase kiombe kende gionsi negento kiengenche nene muchando ndu bwensi okonyora ngabari muri na barabwe kiombe nabo abamino bange na ubaragoika
Omo Senator bwe county ya Busia Mosikio kia mutata niganyarire ko bagakorera na gotebu no bogima bwaye nigobore asa kongu owatkana amono kongusana okwo gosogotegwa no kwanyara ko bagakanikiwa asigatia ya mono murayibwensi ya Kenya Moske Dr. William Ruto okwana nabarikia mangana somo chobo songo litukolia lero nigo okia mutata asingirire gotebuna nigaragendere kumurika obokoreri bwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza na nigarekera busi bwekigambiro gokwanira kende gionsi kiliaranyara ko bagakoganirwa kwerera asoboime.
I was accused of holding demonstrations to demand good governance. So who should call the other one a crook? One who has been formally indicted for theft, or me who was indicted for fighting for good governance. But more than that, the whole purpose of what the president said, and if you look at everything where people are murdered and killed, the first step is to dehumanize them. Call them cockroaches, call them whatever. In this particular case, the president referred to me and my group as crooks, wakora, whom is going to slash. So already they have dehumanized us, and so eliminating us will not be eliminating human beings. It will be eliminating wakora. So concerned about my own life, that the president issued a death threat and already dehumanized me, and because I live under the jurisdiction of Langata police station, on Sunday I went to Langata police station, making an attempt to report this matter, to get an OB. I was kept there for more than 6 hours, being taken around. Eventually one of the junior officers came and said, my brother, the discussion I've picked is that they are not going to record your statement. And what I would advise you to do is to go to the crime scene where the crime was committed. That's in Kisii. Go to Kisii in Mosocho and make a report in Mosocho. I'm sure those policemen will not be able to refuse. Because here, when they refuse, they might even argue that the question of jurisdiction, although it happened on national TV for you, they might argue that the question of jurisdiction does not allow them to be the first point of complaint. So taking that advice, I tried to get a flight yesterday to Kisumu or to Homa Bay. All the flights were booked until after next week. I could not get a flight. So, but given the concern I have about my own safety and the safety of the other people whom the president referred to as crooks, whom he is going to slash, the people who had gone to court and gotten orders against his housing levy fund, which the court declared to be unconstitutional.
Wanchomo lialia togo tigana na yoni gomolikyo itoko nela sonyancha komanyia buna nchire moyo kugendera kuroba semekuchia saba sani gaba sae kurwa sinse moya nduru animono asumu sangerekano yonya kobago koleta chikanisa chegi Adventista kurwa asense moya South East Kenya Field wanyareko bakonyora obosemia animono chinga kicho kwerenda chinga kechiga chie emeyega na boigo chinga kibara somo tumoko.
My name is Pastor Edward Makumba. I'm the first speaker here in a youth convention of the Southeast Kenya Field, happening now and live at Nduru Boys High School. It's indeed a blessed experience, and the motivation behind the organizers of this event was to bring and reconnect the asset we have as a church of young people so that they can be rightly trained. As Ellen G. White writes in Christian Service, page 30, paragraph 1, that the Lord has appointed the youth as his helping hand. And so we have a work of training them, we have to preach to them, we have to share with them. And as the theme of the Congress is, Jesus is coming soon, get involved. We are here to call for their participation at an individual level so that we can preach the gospel to all the world as a witness, and then the end shall come.
Engana ya gerete kanisi gaikira tigaba sae bachichense mubuka. Let me tell you, this is a long holiday. Na vijana wetu wanapokuwa na muda mrefu bila kuwa na shughuli wanafanya, bila kuwa na muda kasi ya kufanya, iko bakwenyora besoiri ase bintu bitali bironge. Na in that process ikaira tugobeka tunakoba egeria.
Samarita nguru kusara kwambuka Korumukubo district Magenche station Nyaronge CDA charge tora se a congress Nduru astoko nyara ko batoko egeria mnaba sae ngato bwanerete koba ebindi tobwate self reliance, we have privacy, tugatwara youth conduct, tugatwara Samonite nebipindi ebinge igabasaye bari motorigereti isko gari noko barangerie rinde na eno maseminga na kimobwanerete koba igamangana atabase kogendanse
Asamaria tankuru Felix Morara kurwetago ekanisa neko kwetago Davis CDA church nende ekotoka se district etago station aigetore Nduru Boys eskuru Nduru Boys astwasta singincho ya congress yabasaye
Samuel tankuru del bunyanchoka ngoro ase kanisa ya Musache andanje Kitense district Gotchak station twegokiri namangana amafundisha yetu anyare ko batokunyora n'abasaye
bali bari sikubari endo n'abasemi niko motakere mwachaga iga mwagereko bone congress nera segete ayo kwa imuka gwate mukwamenya ko chiorora ekerore so meeting ane elimo na ndi karoso kurugaiga no ate ibali bali sikuna barabu ekere congress ndi guchiko banaro no nyara ko bakumenya ko chiororo ochigwa manaria kwa igwete kere myake ndi yaete ko chimaye
Wanchomo ligereria nara iyo twanyara ko batokwarganiria obutuko bwa rero anamono chinga kichiga asenkomanyi wabunanigo amarigania nyara ko bakawikirana kuri asensemelia ya kabere ye studio astras kunyara ko bako monyora gusikonyora bali kwito mangana maya kurwa chinyomba au chobora liyo obutuko bwa rero bagutwara enkwana no mugabana abwe county ya Kisumu Paul Simbarati Nyuranga nemetenyi 15 kurugeso mugabano iga no mukonyo Dr. Robert Nsalimonda gochorwa gosoa abisi eliokora eserikali ye county ya Kisii buna omugabana okabere walikia manganani go bwatama bolio abaranyara ko bakugania konyora machibu kurwa asinkwana ya bene amo no mugabana we county ya Kisumu Paul Simbarati Kolende wikira bunongo kora Ayaatekire Ensa Eyemo litukeliga ye Jumanne kwa kirenga mbiyemono asinge nchokanyora chinga kigosanga mona nchekerekeiga bakire mbuya bali kibaito bamangana maya awabeke kambi aschinse omugaso mugima elikone kibunonsi nkanya tole asinchira ebwenderete boigon kumwakirambia omo director ne Jacinta Nyabeta singinchoko ne kiabuneli ugini chibicha bakubwatira namana director Mutonga Kenya byagwikere asinchira yoboikirano chenkoro kwa Eric Bosire nkokoanilia obuligeli borobia
aya na Ayaatekire Ensa Eyemo ime ya Kisi TV.